Math can feel overwhelming sometimes, can't it? Maybe you are stuck on a tricky problem, or maybe just don't see why any of this matters. But here's the thing, math isn't just about memorizing formulas or getting the right answer. It's about understanding the patterns and logic that shape our world. Hi, I'm Simba, and welcome to Curiosamente. This channel is all about helping you master math step by step. Whether you are struggling with basic arithmetic or diving into advanced topic like calculus, I'll break it down so it's clear, simple, and even a little fun. In this first video, we are going back to the basics, to the very foundations of math, numbers. Where do they come from? How do we use them? And why are they so important? Numbers didn't just appear out of thin air, they evolved alongside human civilization. Imagine our ancestors trying to keep track of their sheep or crops. At first, they probably used simple methods like tally marks, each line representing one item. But as the society grew more complex, they needed better ways to represent larger quantities. This led to invention of number systems, structured ways of writing and thinking about numbers. For example, the Egyptians used hieroglyphs for powers of 10. One stroke meant 1, a U-bond symbol stood for 10, and a coil of rope represented 100. And there were the Romans, who gave us the famous Roman numerals, 1 for 1, and V for 5, X for 10, and so on. These early systems worked well for small calculations, but they had limitations. Try multiplying 2023 by 47 using Roman numerals. It's not exactly user-friendly. Different cultures developed different ways of expressing numbers, often tied to the environment and the way of life. Let's take a quick tour around the world. In India, mathematicians created what we now call the Indo-Arabic numeral system. The same digits we use today, 0, 1, 2, all the way up to 9. What made this system revolutionary was its place value structure. Each digit's position tells you its value. This system also introduced zero, a concept that changed everything. Zero isn't just a placeholder, it's a number in its own right. Now let's hop over to France. In France, numbers can get interesting. For instance, 80 is said 80, which literally means 420s, and 99 becomes 99, 420s, 10-9. Meanwhile, in Chinese, numbers are incredibly logical. 11 is simply 10-1, 12 is 10-2, and so on. It's almost like building blocks. The ancient Maya had base 20 system, possibly because they counted using both fingers and toes. Their numbers looked like dots and bars with a shell symbol for 0. To really understand numbers, we need to know some important vocabulary. Mathematicians classify numbers into different sets based on their properties. Here are the basics. Natural numbers. These are counting numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. They are the simplest kind of number. We have whole numbers. This set includes all natural numbers plus 0. Integers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Think of them as whole numbers that go both directions on a number line. We have a special kind of numbers which is rational numbers. These are the numbers that can be expressed as fractions, like 1/2, -3/4, or 5, which is 5/1. Any decimal that terminates or repeats is rational. We have irrational numbers as well. Unlike rational numbers, these cannot be expressed as fractions. Famous examples include pi and the square root of 2. We have another set, which is real numbers. This set combines all rational and irrational numbers. Essentially, any number that can plot on a number line is real. Understanding these categories helps us see how numbers fit together in the grand scheme of mathematics. One of the most amazing things about numbers is their universality. No matter where you are in the world, or even beyond it, mathematical truths remain constant. Take the Pythagorean theorem, for example. Whether you are writing in English, Chinese, or Arabic, a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared always holds true. Scientists have even considered using math to communicate with extraterrestrial life. Prime numbers, for instance, might serve as a universal signal since they follow predictable patterns no matter who or what is observing them. So, what have we learned today? Numbers are tools invented by humans to solve problems, but their logic transcends language and culture. By understanding how numbers work and how they have evolved, we gain a deeper appreciation for the power of math. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode from this channel. Until then, keep counting, keep questioning, and remember, math is everywhere.